Alright, working on 8th grade math E1 for your IXL. Talking about what is reciprocals or the multiplicative inverse. Well, lucky for you, they mean the exact same thing. It's potato. Reciprocal and multiplicative inverse have the exact same definition because they mean the exact same thing. And all it means is you're going to flip it over. Okay, so if you're looking at the reciprocal of 5/7. So what is the reciprocal of 5/7? Well, all you're doing is flipping it over. Everything goes from top to bottom, bottom to top. So you're going to take and you're going to say, okay, the reciprocal would be 7/5. Okay, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, looking at number 2, throwing a negative in here. You can answer it 2 different ways. The computer will read it one way or the other, doesn't matter. You can actually answer it as negative and then just flip it over 3/4. Okay? Or the computer will also recognize 3/-4. It means the exact same thing. You'll end up coming out to the same outcome. It still makes a negative. Now, technically, you don't want a negative in the denominator, but it doesn't matter for the answering of this problem. So like I said, reciprocal just means you flip over the fraction. And so what if it said multiplicative inverse? It means the same thing. Like I said that previously, it means the exact same thing. Now, what about here? That's not a fraction. Well, hopefully, through our teachings in class, you should recognize that every single number is written in fraction form. It's just sometimes you don't see it. So what is 2 in fraction form? Should be 2/1. And so if you're going to make that an inverse, so your multiplicative inverse, if you're going to make that an inverse, it would just be 1/2. So the answer to this would be 1/2.